Today we're going to learn about the points of identification for the bone slide. So if you got the slide of bone, you have to write these points of identification. So before moving ahead to the points, just have a look if you got the overall picture of the bone, how it will look like. So this is a low power picture of the bone slide, and here you will see the periosteum, the outermost layer of the bone. Then you have the compact bone here, and these structure are the osteoids, right? And then in the bone, we know in the central area there is a bone marrow, and these are the extension of the compact bone, so these are known as trabecula. So now moving ahead to the first point of identification, that is, you will see in the compact bone the osteoids, right? So here we have these round structures are osteoids. So the first point you have to write is that you will see the osteoid in the compact bone. Then you have the central canal. So this is the central canal. The central empty space in each osteoid is known as central canal, and it is for the vasculatures, the nerves, and the lymphatics. Then we have a lamella. The lamella are the concentric lines around the central canal. These are called the lamella. Third point is lacunae. So these darker spots are the empty spaces, and these empty spaces are having the osteocytes. They are known as lacunae, and they are darker here because they are stained by a dye, but actually these are the empty spaces, right? And the last point is that we have a canaliculi, right? So you can see in this picture the radiating darker lines which connect the central canal to the osteocytes in the lacunae, and the lacunae with each other you can see throughout. So these supply the nutritions to these cells from the central canal and take away the waste, right? Now you can see in this picture that we have a central Haversian canal or central canal. The radiating structures are the canaliculi. These darkest areas are the lacunae, and they will have the osteocytes in them. And these are the concentric lamella. So first, second, third, fourth, right? So these are the lamellas. And why it is a cement line, the calcification, right? So it is the margin between each osteoids. And this is another osteoid. This is a separate osteoid, right? Osteoids is the overall structure having a central canal. The concentric lines are the lamina. Then we have the empty spaces lacunae, and the radiating structure are canaliculi. In this picture, we don't have anything written, so you can guess it. What is it? So you're right, it is a central canal. Then this one is lacunae. This one is lamina, right? And the overall structure is osteoid. So that's great. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more.